I'm in my 2010 awesome Ford Taurus SHO. One of the problems that we have, if you take a look at the dash, the only place I can put my phone is right here, and this is the phone holder. And look at this, it actually takes up a full cup holder here. It has to go down inside, and that's all that is. It just kind of frictions in there, so I lose another cup holder. I just lose a ton of space, and that is not cool. And I've been looking for phone holders because I need to be safe when I drive. I don't want to hold the phone. So I found this. This is the Syncwire, and I actually think it's going to work. Check this thing out. It comes with everything you need. Right here, you got your alcohol wipes, you got your instructions, all that jazz. You know what it is. But then, this is the magic, right? Take a look at this. This is fully aluminum. This thing is amazingly machined. So if we take a look back right here, just take a look at this. That's all aluminum right there, and it is solid. And this has a rubber grommet on the base. So this is a sliding feature right here. So if we just slide it up and down, this is the depth. But the thing that I like about it, I'm going to put it right here. I know it's hard to see, but I'm trying to do it at the same time. The cool thing about it is it lays flat on the dash. That's insane to me. So none of the other ones that I've found in stores, I've went and tested out, really works. But this one, as you can see, it can lay flat. So I'm going to try and mount it right here. And I'm hoping you can take the ride along with me as I do this, and maybe this is the awesome phone holder that I was looking for. But before we do that, all we need to do here, this is a magnetic ring, so this ring goes on the back of my phone, and this is the actual magnet. And you have so many different ways of doing this, so I'm going to put this on after I mount it, but let's get to cleaning. Let's make this happen. I'm using an OtterBox as well, so this is a standard rubber backing. I'm hoping that it works. I've never found another magnetic ring that actually works, so if this works, this is a huge win for everyone. I'm going to switch over all my vehicles so this can happen. We just got to let this dry. Barely see it. Look at that. I won't even notice it's there. Look at that. Is that not amazing? Now, I don't have a lot of room in the window to mount anything to the window. So this, look at this. Look how low profile that is. This is awesome. It doesn't fully cover the vent either. I still have my gauge cluster, everything ready. Man, I am super excited about this. Look how good this looks. I'm buying these for all my vehicles now. That's it. I'm done. Here we go. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope that this was helpful. I've been searching. I haven't found one. They reached out, so this is a game changer for me. If you all want more information about this, head down below. You're going to see a description for this, and I hope that this helps you the same way it helped me, because this is actually a really helpful thing. Thanks for watching. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and like the video as well. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya. I gotta get to work.